Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can install Python on your Windows 11. So without any delay, let's start. So first of all, open your browser and search here like Python. Here you will see the official website of Python, just click on it, and next you will see downloads and you will see this button. This is the current version of Python at the moment in which I am recording the video. So I will just directly click on this button and it will ask me where I want to download, because I have installed IDM, so it will download through IDM. If you have not IDM, maybe your download will start directly at this position. So the download is completed. Now I will navigate to my folder. As you can see that Python, it is at this position. But if you want to check either Python is installed or not, let me show you. First of all, I will open here like command prompt. And here I will search for Python -- version. I will press enter. So you can see Python was not found. It means Python is not installed currently. So we are going to install it. I am double click on it. And from here, just click on this use admin privileges when installing python.exe, and also click on add python.exe to path. Next, click on custom installation. From here, you can install all these features. Make sure to install all of them, but I'm going to uncheck this because I have to record separate video for this. But make sure to select PIP, so you don't need to install this PIP separately. You have to take and press next, but I'm not going to select that because, as I told you, next. And from here, select install Python 3.12 from all users. And your Python will be installed at this location, and in the last simply click on install button. So I'm going to press yes to allow permissions. This processing can take a little bit time, but still it depends on the speed of your computer. Okay, so Python setup was successful. It means that Python have installed. So next I'm going to close this and let's check either Python is installed or not. So I will click here command prompt. And here I will select like Python -- version. Here you can see that the Python is installed successfully on our computer, and this is the current Python version. So if you want to run a Python program, what you have to do, simply type P and Y in lowercase letters and press enter. And for example, I want to print here something. So as we know that Python have a print command, you will write in this way like FineGap, and I will press enter. So you can see that FineGap is printing. So we are running a Python program on Windows 11. It also provide you IDE. If you follow my instructions, let me type here LDE IDLEE. So this will be automatically installed. When we will click on customize installations, there were an option for IDLE and we selected that. So that's why we are getting this IDE. We can write Python program here, and here you can see that print like FineGap IDE. Okay, there is an error, FineGap IDE. Now let me press enter. So you can see that program is running successfully. So friends, this was the method that how we can install Python on Windows 11. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.